Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your FiberHome router. First, ensure your router is powered on and connected to your internet line. Next, connect your computer to one of the router's LAN ports using an Ethernet cable. This direct connection helps avoid initial wireless setup issues. Then, find the default IP address and login details, typically printed on a label on the router itself. You'll need these to access the router's web interface and begin configuration. Once connected, open your web browser and type the router's default IP address into the address bar. This will take you to the login page. Enter the default username and password which you found on the router's label. After logging in, look for the Quick Setup or WAN Settings section. Here, you'll input your internet service provider's details, such as your PPPoE username and password, or select DHCP if applicable. Now let's set up your Wi-Fi. Go to the Wireless or WLAN section to change the default Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and create a strong, unique password. This protects your network from unauthorized access. If you need specific functionalities like port forwarding for gaming or quality of service for prioritizing traffic, explore the advanced settings. Remember to save all your changes and then restart the router to apply everything correctly. For optimal security, immediately change the default login password for your router's administration page. This is a critical step to prevent unauthorized access to your network settings. Also, make it a habit to regularly check for and install any available firmware updates. These updates often include important security patches and performance enhancements. And hey, while you're optimizing your home, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.